Welcome to this channel, Wooden Art Made for Relaxation, a peaceful space where natural wood is transformed into calming, expressive art designed to soothe the mind and warm the soul. Here, wood is more than a creative medium. It is a source of balance, comfort, and quiet beauty. Every piece featured on this channel is inspired by nature's gentle rhythms, organic textures, and earthy tones, offering art that invites you to slow down, breathe deeply, and reconnect with a sense of calm in your everyday life. At the heart of this channel is the belief that art should not only be seen, but felt. Wooden art has a unique ability to create a sense of grounding and tranquility, and we explore how natural grain patterns, flowing forms, and hand-finished surfaces contribute to a relaxing atmosphere. From abstract wooden sculptures and wall art to simple handcrafted decor pieces, each creation is designed to bring harmony into living spaces, turning homes into peaceful retreats from the noise of the modern world. This channel also embraces mindful craftsmanship and sustainable creativity. By working with responsibly sourced and reclaimed wood, we honor nature while creating art that promotes relaxation and long-lasting beauty. Wooden art made for relaxation is a journey into calm design, thoughtful making, and gentle inspiration. Thank you for joining this space where creativity moves slowly, nature guides every form, and wooden art becomes a quiet companion for rest, reflection, and everyday serenity. Here, wooden art is not loud or overwhelming. It is gentle, grounding, and deeply connected to nature. Every creation shared on this channel is meant to slow the mind, soften the space, and invite a sense of quiet relaxation through organic forms and natural textures. At the heart of this channel is the belief that relaxation begins with our surroundings. Wood, with its warm tones, flowing grain, and natural presence, has a unique ability to create a calming atmosphere. This channel explores how wooden art can influence mood, reduce visual noise, and help transform homes into peaceful sanctuaries where the body and mind can truly rest. Nature is the primary inspiration behind every piece of art featured here. The curves of tree branches, the rhythm of growth rings, the softness of weathered wood, and the quiet strength of natural forms guide each design. By allowing nature to lead the creative process, the resulting wooden art feels organic, familiar, and emotionally comforting. This channel focuses on wooden art that encourages mindfulness. Each piece is created slowly and intentionally, reflecting a process that values patience over speed. Viewers are invited not only to observe the final artwork, but to appreciate the calm journey of creation behind it. Wooden art made for relaxation often embraces simplicity. Rather than complex or busy designs, the pieces featured here rely on clean lines, gentle curves, and balanced forms. This simplicity allows the eye to rest and the mind to feel at ease, making each piece a natural fit for tranquil living spaces. Texture plays a powerful role in relaxation, and this channel highlights how the tactile quality of wood adds depth and comfort. Smooth finishes, subtle grain patterns, and softly contoured surfaces invite touch and connection, reinforcing a sense of calm and grounding. Sustainability is a core value of this channel. By using responsibly sourced and reclaimed wood, we honor nature while creating art that promotes peaceful living. Knowing that a piece of art was made with respect for the environment adds another layer of emotional comfort and meaning. This channel explores a wide range of wooden art forms designed for relaxation, including wall art, tabletop sculptures, minimal decor, and functional art pieces. Each form is carefully considered to enhance calmness without overwhelming the space. Wooden art featured here is designed to work harmoniously with natural light. As light moves across the surface of wood throughout the day, shadows and highlights gently shift, creating a living, breathing visual experience that feels meditative and soothing. The finishing process is treated as a quiet ritual. Natural oils, waxes, and matte finishes are chosen to protect the wood while preserving its raw beauty. These finishes enhance warmth without shine, supporting a soft, and restful aesthetic. This channel also explores how wooden art supports emotional well-being. Natural materials have been shown to create feelings of safety, comfort, and balance. And the art shared here reflects those qualities in every design. Imperfection is welcomed as part of relaxation-focused art. Knots, grain variations, and subtle irregularities remind us that perfection is not necessary for beauty. These natural details create authenticity and reduce visual tension. Wooden art made for relaxation blends seamlessly into many interior styles. Whether your space is modern, minimalist, rustic, or nature-inspired, these pieces adapt easily and enhance the overall sense of calm. This channel encourages viewers to slow down and reconnect with physical materials in a digital-heavy world. Wooden art offers a tangible, grounding presence that contrasts with screens and synthetic surfaces. The creative philosophy behind this channel values balance and harmony. Each piece is designed to feel stable, centered, and visually peaceful, helping create environments that support rest and reflection. Wooden art also carries emotional warmth. Unlike cold materials, wood feels alive and welcoming, making spaces feel more human, personal, and comforting. This channel highlights how relaxing wooden art can be used in bedrooms, living rooms, meditation spaces, offices, and wellness areas. Each placement supports a different form of calm, from rest to focus. Community and shared appreciation are important here. Viewers who value slow living, mindfulness, and natural design are invited to connect, reflect, and find inspiration together. Wooden art made for relaxation is not about trends or decoration alone. It is about creating environments that nurture well-being. Every piece reflects a commitment to calm design and intentional living. Through each creation, this channel reminds us that relaxation is not something we chase, but something we create through thoughtful choices, natural materials, and gentle surroundings. Thank you for being part of wooden art made for relaxation. Your presence and support help keep this calm, nature-inspired vision alive. Stay with us as we continue to explore wooden art that slows the mind, warms the heart, and transforms everyday spaces into places of peace and serenity. In summary, abstract wooden art made for relaxation is a celebration of calm creativity, where natural wood and abstract design come together to create art that soothes the mind and comforts the spirit. Each piece is shaped with intention, guided by organic forms, gentle movement, and natural textures that invite stillness and quiet reflection. This channel highlights how abstract wooden art can transform everyday spaces into peaceful environments that support rest, balance, and emotional well-being. Through mindful craftsmanship and respect for nature, this journey shows that art does not need to be loud or complex to be powerful. By embracing simplicity, imperfection, and the natural character of wood, abstract wooden art becomes a grounding presence in modern life. These creations encourage slow living, deeper connection with natural materials, and a renewed appreciation for handmade beauty. Thank you for being part of this relaxing and creative journey. Your support, attention, and appreciation for calm design help this channel continue to grow. If this content brings you peace or inspiration, please like, share, and subscribe, and stay connected as we continue creating abstract wooden art designed to relax, restore, and inspire.